Let's look at the structure of a persuasive essay. There are three main sections that you need to include: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. In the introduction, you should introduce the topic or the issue. Explain why it's important or controversial, and then give your point of view. It's very important to state what your stance or position is on the issue. Then we write the body. So the body is where you provide evidence to support your point of view. So you've got to convince your audience about your stance. Explain your point, provide evidence to support your point. Evidence can come in the form of things like examples, or it can be facts or statistics, or maybe an expert opinion, or even a story that illustrates the point. And then at the end of your body paragraph, link it back to the question. So you might say something like, therefore, it is evident that. Yep, so you reinforce the point. Then we have the concluding paragraph. So this is where you need to reinforce your argument, right? Reinforce your point of view and sum up the key points very briefly. Then it's always good to leave the reader with something to remember. Perhaps it might be a warning, for example, if we don't do something, what the likely consequences would be, so that it makes the reader feel that if they don't agree with your point of view, something bad is going to happen. So remember, in a persuasive essay, you have to have three main sections: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion.